All right, what's up, guys? So finally, this is it. This is your homeboy again, Sam Halabi, reporting here from Sharjah at Muhammad Amin Anjum workshop in Sharjah. So basically, to wrap it up very quick for you guys, I got my Honda City here for the CVT gear swap. And I came at around 1:30 and the hospitality was really great. We had lunch together at 2 o'clock. We had 1 hour of break. And then we started back on the job at 3:10, I believe. And now it is 5 o'clock, so almost 5 hours. And we did the job successfully for the gear. And the prices are really good as well. From myself, my testimony for this workshop is A+, and I really recommend this shop to all my fans and my customers out there. So if you guys need help, please shout out. Peace.